Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind happypuppytruffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cool item that you can get at DAISO, and I think some people might have been sharing it with you guys already on the net. Harris Tweed has done a collaboration with DAISO in Japan, and they have a bunch of different things that are available that have the classic Harris Tweed little logo thing on there, and then are made with different varieties of their tweed designs. And there's, I don't even know how many different variations there are of the tweed itself, and then different kinds of little pouches and stuff. As you can see, this is just a classic little, wristlet kind of style here. And then this is like a little coin kind of purse sort of thing. They're all lined with a, pretty decent kind of, material there that can resist water and stuff like that, probably. And the zippers on them are pretty nice, I think, very nice and silver and shiny with a good clasp. This one's pretty good too. It's got the kind that's the same color as the edging here. I don't know if that's real leather. I don't think it is. It might be. I don't know how much, to what extreme they went to make these really extreme high quality or not. Does it say on here? But one thing it definitely does say is that it is made, it's not 100 yen. So, because even though it's at DAISO, it's not 100 yen. This is 600 yen, and this little puppy here was 300 yen. I think the cheapest thing's 200 yen maybe, and they get all the way up to, God, how was the biggest one? Was 10 maybe, I think, 1,000 yen, because there are wallets and other variations of coin purses, actual coin purses with a little metal, flappy, the little clasp thingy. There's probably a name for that, but I don't know what it is. Lots of different things to pick from. My local DAISO did not have nearly the selection as some bigger places did when I went and looked there. And I didn't want to waste all my money buying a ton. It was very tempting though, because I personally love the Harris Tweed stuff, but I can never afford to buy, anything significant from them. But there's, the kind of sort of a bluish kind of toned tweeds available, darker colored, sort of maybe guys might like a little better, blacks with a little bit of red, and then your classic, red and black too. So lots of different ones to pick from, and you could have a lot of fun, choosing which kind you want to have for sure. It doesn't say, this one's just got the kind of like a felt on the back and then the tweed on the front. And then this has got this material on the back. And like I said, it doesn't say on here. These are all actually made in China. But yeah, it says here. The wool part is of course wool, but then the backing is made from a fake, it's not leather. So I wouldn't think it would be. But it's still very well made, and just for the cuteness of it, it's adorable. And to have something like this and to not have to pay that much money, very cool. So I would say, if you are going to be in the area and you are a fan of Harris Tweed, then you should definitely pick some stuff up. And I don't know how soon or if these will be available in other countries or not, but they're definitely very, very cool. So check them out. And I will have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.